Welcome to How to Web. Wondering how to withdraw money from your Vantage application? Let's walk through the process quickly. I'm displaying the steps on the screen. Make sure you follow each one of them carefully. Open the Vantage app, launch the app, and sign into your account with your credentials. Next, navigate to the withdrawal section. On the home screen, go to the Wallet or Funds tab. Tap on the withdraw option to start the process. Select withdrawal method. Vantage supports various withdrawal methods like bank transfers or e-wallets. Choose your preferred option. Enter withdrawal amount. Specify the amount you want to withdraw and review the transaction fees, if any, and then confirm withdrawal. Review all details carefully. Once everything looks good, confirm the withdrawal request. Processing time. Depending on the withdrawal method, it may take anywhere from a few minutes to several business days to complete. Thank you for watching our videos. Make sure to like and subscribe for more guides.